Still working on my friend's quarter-hour cuckoo clock, and I want to show you an update. People might think I'm silly or whatever because I spend so much time working on items, but I don't give up that easily, and that's why I was so asked to fix things when I was in the military, is because I don't give up. I figure out what the issue is. I get it going as well as I can. And when I was in the military, my programs were flawless. Anyway, I took the bellow back off this whistler, redid the bellow. I added this piece of wood here to hold this movement. I took a roofing nail because the other nails was allowing the wire to come off the nail because it didn't have big enough head on it. And so now I think that will work. So the next video is going to show me, hopefully, with this back in the clock and the clock up and running. When it lifts, when the left bellow lifts this up high enough, the weight in this design is off the Australian quarter-hour cuckoo clock design that I showed in a previous video. The German quarter-hour cuckoo clocks, I don't like the designs. This is a slip line sinker that I attached to this piece of wire, and the only purpose behind this weight is when this comes up, it drops the wire down to allow this wire to catch onto this wire here to hold it up in the air. And that way you get the cuckoo versus just one coo. Because when the other bellow lifts, if you don't have all this contraption on, they will close at the same time. So you just get one coo. The other bellow lifts, it goes down and gives you a coo, and the wire that's attached to the other bellow hits this wire to give you the second coo. I do probably have the cuckoo backwards, the cuckoo's backward, because the left bellow is designed like this, which typically would go back here on the it would be typically the high note cuckoo. I might have selected the correct cuckoos, but I wasn't paying attention to that. I was just trying to get two cuckoos out of the ordeal versus one coo. So anyway, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational videos. And I hope you all like this video, and God bless.